It's a cold weekend, so today we are making us some chicken pot pie minis and some chicken pot pie ball bombers. So I'm using chicken thighs. You can use whatever chicken you want. This is skinless, boneless chicken, but you do see some skin on there, so I will be peeling the majority of that skin off, as much as I can get off. I have it in a bowl with water, and I am adding my cleaner, which I am using vinegar. When I'm done, I will be dicing it up into cubes. I washed it and I rinsed it about 4 times. I'm adding olive oil to a pan, and I will be sauteing these. I also will be seasoning these. After you season one side, make sure you stir them over and season the other side. Spray your pan with oil. Use any biscuit you would like. I had to use 2 cans because these were only 5 ounces. You have to use at least 10 to 12. I also seasoned it. pinch to seal. So my oven caught fire and I ended up having to put these in, what is this?
Air fryer.
Air fryer. I ended up having to put it in an air fryer. It seems to be working pretty good. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the pan. I might end up having to cook that tomorrow at my daughter's house. Let me show you my oven though. I don't know if some grease waste in here or whatnot, but it caught fire up under here, and you know, when you open it, air feeds fire, so I had to close it up, run to my pantry. This is why I always say make sure you keep your fire extinguisher handy and know how to use it. And I ended up having to spray in here, so now I have to clean the oven out really well. So when I say I need another oven, yeah, I really do need another oven, y'all. I've never cooked in this air fryer this way with baking. They are done, y'all. It took absolutely no time at all. I think I put it on 9 minutes. Yeah, I put it on 9 minutes. So here they are. Where there's a will, there is a way, y'all. Look at that. How beautiful, in spite of what happened to the oven. Once I'm done, I'm definitely gonna clean that oven tonight. And I can't clean it how I normally clean it, which is to let it self-clean, which somebody said not to do that anyway. So now I have this over here that I'm gonna wrap up and take to my daughter's house and do when I get to South Carolina. So, but let's go ahead and taste it. Wait a minute, is it done? Hold on. I feel like it needs a little more. So I'm gonna put it back in for about, okay, so I actually did 18 minutes on this. First I did 9 and I pulled them out, but then the bottoms were not as cooked as they are now. They felt doughy still, and now they feel cooked. So we're about to cut into this and give it a try. Oh my God. I was not expecting all of that to happen. So I'm in here now, actually started cleaning. Well, I sprayed, it's sitting while I'm doing this. So basically, you're just making, it's like a chicken pot pie popper, well, minis, and then the ones that I rolled, like this one here, and another one, those are called bombers. Ooh, is that dough done? Yeah. Y'all, this is hot, okay? I need something to put it on. What was I thinking? My brain is just not focused today. Because, especially now that that oven caught fire. Man, and my daughter had the nerve to say, did you record it? I guess she said I record everything. But let's look at the inside. Oh, let me turn the camera around. So y'all, I'm in the process of cleaning it, But anyway, I turned into Prince. When I saw that fire, like it was smoking, and I was like, is something in there? And I was like, there's no pot in there. But apparently something must have wasted in there. Let me show y'all this. I was not expecting to have a air fryer. I guess I'm gonna rename it air fryer pot pie. That chicken is seasoned just right. Unfortunately, I had to put it back in there to make sure that the bottom was done. And in doing so, I should have put something over the top because it made it a little more browner than I wanted it to be. But this is really, really good. Let's see if I can pick it up with my hand. I'm so hungry, and this is so good. Man. Hold on. That's good. Listen, it's been a day. My coffee done got cold. Couldn't find a coffee pot. This was in my way. Definitely get your fire extinguisher. Definitely. Oh my God. It's coffee, no liquor. Please hit the like button. Share the video out. Hit the like button. If enough of y'all hit the like button, I might just be able to afford that oven. And then I'm gonna start painting next week. These will not be white. They ain't really white now from all the smoke. Child. So the color I chose, I'm gonna do black. Some of y'all wanted me to do, well, suggested I do like a dark gray, I guess like my focal wall, but I'm going to do black. And I'm going to pray that enough of y'all watch my channel this month. Well, forever, but especially this month, so that I hopefully can afford to get another oven, okay? See y'all in the next one. Hit the like, leave comments. It's 12:01 a.m. and y'all, I put it in there. I cleaned the oven out, and I want y'all to know, because of what happened in here with my oven catching fire, we still gonna do the giveaway, okay? So go back to that live I did today about the weather, and you'll see that I'm giving away a buddy heater. To enter, just type in the word heater. Don't type in anything else. If you want to leave a separate comment, you can. But for the giveaway, you only need to type in the word heater. And that giveaway will be in a couple of weeks. So you have time. You have time. All right?